blessing to your life and your destiny. So please do well to like, share and subscribe to Marvel Devotional TV, and God bless you.
Jesus, align me, align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Holy ground, Jesus, I am your holy ground. Holy ground, Jesus, I am your holy ground. You may just project the lyrics. Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Holy ground, Jesus, I am your holy ground. Holy ground. I don't know how many of you that will be his holy ground, where he can dwell. I don't know how many of you that are ready to be a holy ground for the Lord to land on. But we raise it a cry. Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me. Align me, oh. Please align me, oh. Jesus, order my footsteps, oh. Holy ground. Holy ground. Jesus, your holy ground. Holy ground. Jesus, I am your holy ground. I deny myself pleasures of this world. If he to take Jesus from my life, I deny myself pleasures of this world. If he to take Jesus from my table, holy ground, Jesus. Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align. Can we raise it together? Align me, oh, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Jesus, align me, oh. Holy ground. Jesus, I am your holy ground. Align me, oh. Align me, oh. Jesus, align me, align me, align me, oh. Please align me. Ooh. Oh, holy ground, holy ground. It's very simple, just raise it.